You're watching Tap Tech, where we explore the latest tech before it even hits the shelves. Today we're diving into what we know so far about the upcoming Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, a watch that's shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases. In Garmin's rugged smartwatch lineup, based on Garmin's usual release cycle, the Fenix 8 Pro is expected to land in 2025, most likely in the autumn. The Pro series typically follows about a year after the main Fenix launch, bringing incremental but meaningful upgrades for those who want the best performance, durability, and outdoor tracking features Garmin can offer. One of the biggest anticipated changes is the shift to a brighter, more vivid AMOLED display, likely paired with Garmin's solar charging technology to keep battery life strong even with the richer screen. We could also see a slight redesign with a more ruggedized casing, better scratch resistance, and potentially a lighter titanium build option. Garmin is also rumored to be enhancing sensor accuracy for heart rate, GPS, and even adding depth sensing for divers. On the software side, the Fenix 8 Pro should expand on Garmin's mapping and navigation tools, offering faster map rendering, richer terrain data, and improved turn-by-turn guidance. There's also talk of expanded connectivity, possibly with LTE or UWB, for phone-free safety alerts and live tracking. Fitness and health tracking will likely get another boost, with improved sleep monitoring, training readiness metrics, and more advanced recovery suggestions. Battery life has always been a Fenix strength, and the Pro version should keep that reputation, possibly exceeding 20 days in smartwatch mode and well over 70 hours in GPS mode with solar assist. That combination of stamina and high-end features is what makes the Pro models stand out. As for price, expect a premium over the standard Fenix 8. If the base version starts around $999, the Pro could easily sit in the $1,150 to $1,350 range. Depending on materials and whether you opt for LTE, if Garmin delivers on these expected upgrades, old with solar or precise sensors, expanded navigation tools, and rugged refinements, the Fenix 8 Pro could be the most versatile outdoor watch on the market in 2025 for serious adventurers, endurance athletes, and anyone who demands maximum performance from their gear. This one's worth keeping on your radar. You've been watching Tap Tech, where we cut through the noise to bring you the clearest look at upcoming tech that matters. Stay tuned, because when the Fenix 8 Pro drops, we'll have it on the wrist and put it to the test.